Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today I'm going to bring a 15-inch LED light. It's a commercial electrical light. It has three settings right now. If you can see it, it has the white 300K, 3000K, and then it changes to the bright white, which is the 4000K, and then it goes to the daylight, which is the 5000K. So we're going to go ahead and set this up, and it has it's supposed to last up to 45 years, but you know, who's gonna be counting the years on this stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what you get when you purchase something like this. Actually, I had to switch out to this mold because the smaller ones that I had didn't fit right. So I actually gonna set this up today. We're gonna see how well it works, how well it looks, and if you guys like what you guys see, make sure you guys subscribe. Also, it's damp rated, so this is gonna go in the bathroom. So we're gonna go ahead and see if it works for a bathroom, man, how it looks in like so we're gonna go ahead and set it up today. I'm actually gonna go show you guys first what's under the hood. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so as you can see, it has a hanging cord, a metal hanging cord, so you could just get that extra hang out there, because after you swing it down and you want to tie it up to your cabling, you don't want it just to be tied to your cabling because it might fall. But the base itself, if you let's twist it out right now. There it goes. Twisting it out. Taking it apart. This is how it goes. See how the base goes? Basically, you have the base in there. You top it in. You lock it in. And that's how pretty much you replace it. So today we're just going to remove this real quick, temporary, so we can see exactly where you have to twist the settings. There's three types of settings, like I said, and I mentioned in the beginning of the video. And we're going to take a look at all the three settings. And if you can see, the three settings are right here on the corner pocket. If you guys see it right now, it's set at default. And the beginning, it's set up for soft white. The middle one is going to be bright white, bright mode. And then the last one, the second to the last, is going to be daylight. And then we have a switch check right here, which is in at the end. So the system itself, it's made by LED lights. It's also running by LED lights. I can't open the whole thing because you're gonna have to remove all the screws. But pretty much, this is how you have to hang it. You hang it up. So you hang it up in there, and you do your cabling. All you have to do is twist it in there. Once this base is set up, you pretty much pretending this is the top of it. Pass your cable through here. Make sure the cable is passing properly. Pass the cable through. Twist in the bottom. You find a level, and then all you have to do is twist the whole thing in, and it locks in. If you guys see it, it locks in the bottom. And this is pretty much overhanging. But let's take this off again. I'm gonna make sure this goes through here, because this cable is to hang on to the ceiling, extra support, which is not bad because this is a little heavy bad boys here. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock it in. That's pretty much the LED light. It's 15 inches, clear white in the bottom. We're gonna make sure the settings are properly, and it tells you how to twist it from 1 to 2. So it's all embedded in there. So let's go ahead and put this bad boy and start setting it up, and we'll come back and review it. We'll turn off one light and see how well it works with it. All right, as you can see, this is the actual LED light. It's 15 inches wide. If you guys see it, it's really good. I am in love with these, and they're like 1 inch of height, if you can see that. Pretty good distance. The only reason I got it is because I have this giant mirror that needs to open up, and we didn't want to hit anything, so that's the only reason. The clearance of 1 inch was perfect, so we're not hitting that. It's perfectly above it. The last one I had was a little bit too big, and this is a giant mirror, as you can see. So we're gonna go ahead and turn them on into the highest mode first. And right now, as you can see, I did program it to the auto clicking one. So now I didn't set up the permanent fixtures yet, because I'll take it off and I can always change it. But right now I have it on the clicking mode. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it off and on. Right now we're gonna turn it on, and we just turn it on. And this is the brightest you can get. But if you turn it off and on quick, you change it back. This is the lowest. As you can see, it's a little yellowish. This, I don't like this. This is freaking like a hospital. It reminds me of a hospital setting. So we're gonna go ahead and change it again and turn it off and on. And this is the second highest. And then one more time, we're gonna turn it off and on, and that's the brightest it gets. So if you can see by clicking, if you have the clicking feature set up, where you could actually just change it yourself. So not bad. I got 2 of them. They're not as bright as you're supposed to. I mean, I can't get that corner too bright. It's a little dark in the night, but it has accommodate this area where you actually gonna see yourself in the mirror. Maybe down the line, not right now, because I don't want to damp it too much. And these are damp proof, so they're perfect for bathrooms. They should last you a long time. Right now I'm still sealing a couple of things here, but the showers on this side, you can still see it's not too dark, but it needs more lighting out there. But maybe if you have a jacuzzi, you can set it up with your candles and stuff like that. You should have enough lighting. But overall, super happy with it. Like what I see, I like what I bought. These things are plus to have. There's a great big giant bathroom here that we're gonna put them in here. Love it overall. If you guys have any more questions or comment on this kind of LED light, hit me up. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we are out.